everyone, myself Sangeeta from Upper Public School. Today we discuss about the question answers of first and second chapter. I hope that all of you wrote the notes in the notebook. Once we cross check whether you wrote correct answers or not. Yes. We start for the first lesson. In first lesson, first question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? No, the food required the food requirements for all living organisms vary on the basic requirement living organisms are grouped into three categories. Yes. First one, herbivorous. The animal eat only plant or plant products are known as herbivorous. Example: cow, rabbit, elephant, horse, buffalo, etc. Yes, once you check the answers in the notebook what you wrote, which we are given the PDF form. So, first question, do you find that living beings need the same kind of food? Answer: no. The food requirement of all the living organisms vary on the basic requirements. Living organisms are grouped into three categories. First one, herbivorous. The animals that eat only plant or plant products are known as example: cow, rabbit, elephant or buffalo, etc. Second is carnivorous. The animal that eat only flesh of other animal. The animal that eat only the flesh of other animals known as carnivorous. Example: lion, eagle, cheetah, etc. Yes. Third one, omit the animal that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals are known as omnivorous. Example: dog, cat, crow, human beings. Yes, it is the first answer. Next we move to the second question. The second question and the third one, it is extra from the textbook. The questions are not in exercise part. Second one. What are sprouted answer? A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds are called as sprouted seeds. A second question: what are sprouted seeds? A small white structure may have been grown out of the seeds are called sprouted seeds. Third one. Where does come from? Yes, where does honey come? Beans collect nectar or sweet juice from flowers, convert it into honey and store it in their hive. So where does honey come from? The beans collect nectar, that is juice, sweet juice from the flowers, convert it into honey and store in their hive. It is from honey will come from the honey bees. The next fourth one. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Answer. Plants, edible, plant parts. First one, carrot, We eat which part of that plant? Root. Bean, that is seed. Third one, apple, fruit. Cauliflower, from flower. Cabbage, it is the leaf part. So these are the five plants we eat. Which part of the plant? That is the carrot, root part, beans, seed part, apple, fruit, cauliflower, flower, cabbage, leaf. Next bit is, that is from the first bit. We continue to the second bit. Second bit, it is the filling the blanks. Second bit, filling the blanks. So first question, I write only answers and questions I will read. Tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Why? Because it is a carnivorous. Yes, first answer is carnivorous. Second question, deer eats only plant product and so is called dash. Answer, herbivorous. Third one, parrot eat only dash product, that is plant product. D, the dash eat the dash that we drink which comes from cow, buffalo and goats is an animal product. That is, answer is milk. Fifth one, we get sugar from dash. We get sugar from which plant? Sugar cane. Sugar cane. Yes, it is the second bit. Third bit, it is the match the following. Match the following. Column A, column B. First one, milk, curd, paneer, ghee. Second one, spinach, cauliflower, carrot. Third one, lion and tigers. Fourth one, herbivorous. Answer. And milk, curd, paneer, ghee. It is come from, all the products are come from animal. Answer is, are all animal product. Second one, all are vegetables. Third one, eat other herbivorous eat plants and plants product. Yes, it is the third bit, match the following. Yes. Now next, last bit, it is the drawing need a plant. You have to draw the plant neatly and you have to label the parts. Again, you have to color the plant with the crayons or color pencils. So now this is the label the parts. It is flower, fruit, bud, leaf, stem, and this point is nodes. Between the two nodes, it is called internodes. Between the two leaves, the space will be there. That is called as internode. Internodes. So this upper part, it is called shoot system. Now next is the root system. In that root, we have that is primary root. And after the primary, the roots become that is called secondary roots. So this part is called as the root system. It is clear first chapter. Now we move to the second. That is which is second lesson? Components of food. In a question, it is name the major nutrients in our food. Answer is the major nutrients in our food are first one carbohydrates, Second one, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, or it is also known as roughage, water. It is the first answer. Second question, name the following. Here, in the name the following, you have to write first statement. What the question is there. In front, you can write answer. Otherwise, after writing the first statement, downside you write the answer. Next, you continue the second statement. Yes, I will read the statement. I write the answers on the board. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Answer is carbohydrates. Second question, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and the maintenance of our body. Answer is protein. Third one, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. That is which vitamin? Vitamin A. Fourth one, for the keeping our bones healthy, we require which mineral? Calcium. Yes. So these are the second question. Now next one is the next question. Name the two fruit. Third one. Name two food rich in fat. Here the answer you have to continue front of the nutrients. So in question we give all the four. Yes, you write the first one fat and front one you write the with the food. That is from the groundnut we get fat and from soybean we get the fat. B1 starch. Starch is nothing but carbohydrate. We get starch from boiled rice or from next is dietary fibers. I told that dietary fibers come from only from plant. That you can make salad or from the fruits. We get the dietary fiber. Fourth one, protein. Protein we get from milk and egg. Yes. So fourth question is pick the correct answer. Pick statement that are correct. What you have to do? You have to write the first question and tenth of the question. You have to pick the wrong or correct in the bracket. First, I read the question. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. Yes, it is a wrong. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Yes, it is correct. D1. C1. Balanced diet for the body should contain variety of food varieties. Yes, it is correct. D1. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all the nutrients to body. Yes, sorry, it is a wrong answer. Yes, front of the question is the only you have to put the bracket and you have to put the tick mark. It is correct or wrong. Fifth question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I will read the question. After that, write the answers on the board. First question. Dash is the cause by deficiency of vitamin D. The answer is rickets. Second one. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Answer is vitamin B. Third one, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as dash. The answer is which disease will cause? Scurvy disease. Fourth one, night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our body. Which vitamin required? Vitamin A. The answer is vitamin A. So in second chapter, exercise behind it, 5 questions. But in PDF, I give still 2 parts. That is the preparation of solution and 3 the test. The test for protein, test for starch, test for fat. The preparation of solution already in the test book. Yes, it is same I gave. And test for starch, protein and fat that I gave in stepwise. You read it thoroughly. Yes. So this both the lessons you have to write in the one book. That is king size note 200-page book. First to write the first lesson. Afterwards to write the second lesson. Neatly you have to write down. Yes. It is about the exercise part. Again, we in both the chapter. That is first chapter. Food where does come from, and second chapter components of food. Include both the will conduct the test. That is for 20 marks test will be there. Based on the first and second chapter, we conduct a simple test. That is questions will be in the form of MCQ. That is a multiple choice question. Total questions will be 20 and the marks will be 20. See, each question carry the 1 mark. So like that questions we having a 20 questions. 10 questions from first chapter, second question, 10 questions from the second chapter. So you have to read both notes also and test book. From the test book, you have to read very thoroughly and you have to attend the answers. Don't depend only on notes. You have to read test book. So full you have to read it. Yes. All the best for your exam, for test. Be ready. Yes. Thank you. Bye.